Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make a spinach and cheese Borek rolls, a delicious savory pastry, perfect for breakfast as or a snack. Let's start it. First we wash the spinach really well. Then just chop it a bit and cook it without any water. It shrinks down nicely. Before mixing, steam the spinach just a little. But don't leave it too long. It might get watery and lose that nice green color. Now let's chop the walnuts. Not too fine. We want a bit of crunch. Now add a bit of that butter to the spinach. Just saute it lightly. Gives it a nice flavor. Now it's time for spices. Salt and black pepper go into the spinach. Then crush those two garlic cloves and add them too. Let it saute for a bit, then turn off the heat. Wait for it to cool down a little. When it's cooler, add cream cheese and walnuts. Mix everything well with a spoon, then set it aside. Grace the tray where we'll place the boreks with some butter. Now it's time for the yufka sheets. We take one and brush it with a bit of melted butter. Now take a spoonful of the filling and place it along one edge of the yufka. Add a bit of shredded mozzarella on top and roll it up nice and tight. Now gently take the roll and place it in the round tray. Be careful not to tear it. Then we make the next roll the same way. Keep going till the whole tray is full. Okay, let me show you the tray one more time, just so you can see how I arrange the rolls. Sprinkle a bit of sesame or nigella seeds. Then bake in a preheated oven at 118 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. While the Boreks do their thing in the oven, I came out the breeze and listened to the water. Let's enjoy the way together. With love, from my kitchen to yours. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Turn out delicious. Don't forget to give it a try.